going to make a new version of lava lamp. Check this
Okay.
out.
Show me. Oh, what is this?
See how it goes?
I see. Whoa.
It's like gold. Like
What
a
is this gold thing? Whoa.
So we're gonna put it almost till the end.
Okay.
Not bad. Looks cool. So
Yes.
what we have here? Some Mentos.
Okay.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
Tell me, what you gonna do?
We're going to put it slowly.
Slowly.
inside.
Okay. Be careful.
So you wanna see another magic? Oh,
Yes.
we twist it like
Whoa,
this.
what was that?
So
Okay.
also from this side,
Okay.
slowly.
Yes.
Cool. We finished with Mentos. Another one glass. What we gonna do with this? Check.
Oh my
Cola.
God.
Gonna put a bit also inside.
Okay.
Slowly. Do not go
I
out.
see. It's gonna explode together?
Not yet.
What are you planning?
Very patient. So we put a little bit also of cola. We can add a bit more,
Okay.
just to be more interesting. So we put down the cola. Now we have the gold and the dark.
Okay.
What we gonna do with them? What is missing? Guess. A piece of
Oh,
paper.
a piece of paper?
So we're gonna add on top of it.
Oh my God. What are
We're
you
gonna
doing here?
place the hand.
No. No,
Shake
don't do it.
his
Don't do it.
hand.
Don't do
Shake
it.
his
Wait.
hand.
So.
So
Be careful. Be careful. Please don't do it. I don't want to mess here.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
No. Oh my God. Oh.
So
Okay.
keep holding on top,
Yes.
and now look what is gonna happen.
Be careful. Slowly, please. Slowly.
We're gonna place
I
it
don't want to have a mess here.
on
Okay.
top
Okay.
of it.
Oh. Oh my God.
So cool.
Oh my God.
Look at the bubbles. Look how they go.
Whoa. This is a lava lamp?
Cool. It's a
It's
new
cool.
version. I told you.
It's
from
cool.
the beginning. It's a new version of
Whoa,
lava lamp.
let me see what is
Check
happening
this out.
here.
Look how it goes.
Whoa.
Look how it goes.
Can I take it
Cool.
home?
I mean, this is for all of you. Yes, of
thank
course
you.
you can take it.
But what will happen if you remove the one? No.
I guess.
No, please.
You should not. You have to leave it completely how it is.
Okay.
So the reaction is gonna be exactly how it is.
Okay.
And look at the bubbles at
It's
the last.
amazing. It's amazing.
It's cool.
Try to remove it. Try to
Cool.
remove it.
So let's try.
Okay.
3,
Do
1,
it.
2, 3.
Oh, still the effect.
It's cool.
It's amazing.
It's nice.
Thank you very much.
And
I will
this is
take
for
it
you.
home. Thank you.
My dear friend, you're just in time.
Can't wait to see what you have in store for us
We
today.
have a candle inside this bottle.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna light it, but the thing is, I can't reach. I can't reach into the bottle, so I have this nifty pencil right here and a bit of tape.
The pencil is nifty only because of you, sire.
Good, sir. Thank you. Let's attach this beautiful match to this mediocre pencil.
And make it a match made in heaven.
Exactly. All right, now for
the blaze.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Safety first, obviously.
Down it goes.
Ooh.
And the candle is lit.
It is ablaze. Perfect. Okay,
Splendid.
now we have this magical solution that I'm going to add a little bit of acrylic paint.
Quite crimson-y, isn't
It
it?
is definitely crimson, just so you can see the solution. Just a couple of drops. So it's nice and pinkish.
Perfect.
Beautiful. I'll do a little bit of a reference. Shaken, not stirred. Perfect. Okay. Now we will pour this magical solution inside the bottle. But
Quite
let's try
pinkish.
to aim it at the edge of the bottle. Just like that.
Concentration is key.
In this, it is indeed. You see it slide down the edge? That's what we want to achieve.
That's surface tension for you.
It is indeed, good sir. It is indeed.
And up the water went.
All right. If this works, we will have
Violated.
fully submerged in the water, yet still ablaze.
If this actually works, we're violating a couple of laws of physics, but who cares about that, sire, right?
Tomato.
Potato, potato.
Exactly, good sir. Exactly. Are we there yet?
We have a rate of 50% completion.
Okay. All right. We're nearly there.
Almost there.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Are
We'll
you
be
ready?
amazed. I was born ready. Oh!
And up it goes, and the flame is fully submerged into the water.
Look at that!
Wait,
What sorcery is this?
I don't know. What was that solution, anyways?
Are you ready to know?
I am. What is it? That solution is called
Psych!
optical illusion. Bye.